Hello guys, so this is a test for to use Screen-o-matic. And so this one's like a very old presentation I did with the group, and we did it on, it's only like 2 slides, but we did it for compare and contrast. And I believe, if I remember this assignment, we had to, I guess, define what it is and in writing. And so what is compare and contrast? For comparison, it reveals how two or more things are similar. Contrast reveals how two or more things are different. And yes, like I said, I think it was for a writing class. And so in writing situations, two related processes of compare and contrast are used together, typically in writing. And that is it. Thank you.